Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use detail reports in QuickBooks Online. Detail reports are incredibly useful because they break down your summary data into individual transactions, giving you a complete picture of what's behind your numbers. Let's walk through how to access and customize these reports to get exactly the information you need. First, head over to the left navigation pane in QuickBooks Online and click on Reports. This takes you to the Reports Center, where you'll find all the reporting tools available to you. Once you're there, look for the search field at the top of the page. Type in detail and QuickBooks will filter the list to show you all the detail reports available. These reports are designed to show you the individual transactions that make up your summary totals, which is perfect for deeper analysis. From the filtered results, click on the title of any detail report you want to use. For example, you might select Purchases by Product Service Detail. This opens the report and displays all the individual transactions that contribute to your totals. You'll see each transaction listed out separately, giving you a granular view of your financial activity. Now let's talk about customization. Click on Group By to adjust how your transactions are organized. You can choose to group by different criteria, such as transaction date by week, which helps you see patterns over time, or organize the data in a way that makes more sense for your analysis. This feature also lets you control which columns appear in your report. Next, click on Columns to add or remove specific data fields. This is where you can tailor the report to show only the information you need, making it easier to focus on what matters most without cluttering your view with unnecessary details. Then click on Filters to apply specific criteria that include or exclude certain data sets. Filters are powerful for focused analysis, letting you narrow down your report to specific date ranges, vendors, products, or any other parameters that are relevant to what you're investigating. Within the report itself, you'll notice drop-down arrows next to different sections. Click these arrows to expand or collapse sections, giving you control over how much detail you want to see at any given moment. This makes it easy to drill down into specific areas or keep things high level when you need a broader view. When you're ready to share or save your report, look at the top right corner where you'll find icons to print, email, or export. These options use your current view, so whatever customizations you've made will be reflected in the output. Finally, if you've created a customized report that you'll want to use again, click Save As at the top of the report. Give your report a descriptive name so you can easily find it later, then click Save. This saves all your customization settings so you won't have to rebuild the report from scratch next time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.